Now we will be adding the last type of effect, that is the bouncing effect. So in this particular video, I will be showing you how to apply a bouncing effect to the character. So let's move to the Scratch interface, and first we have to insert a particular character. We all are aware, in order to insert a character, we have to go to choose a sprite option, and then I will be going for the letters. My name, last alphabet is F, so I will be inserting F and I will be placing it on the screen. Then just making the size of S as 100 so that it is appropriate for all of us. Yes, now we will be going on character F. Now in order to apply the bouncing effect, what we have to do, we have to go to the motion, and under motion you will be able to see a block called as change Y by 10. You are able to see as I am moving Y by 10, my sprite, that is F, is moving up. So over here I will be making the changes. Number 10 will be replaced by number 20, and you are able to see that the sprite is moving at the top position. So in the similar manner, if I want to move the sprite at the bottom position, change Y by -20. So this is at the top. This will move my sprite at the bottom. Let us check. +20, -20, +20, -20. Yes, it is correct. Now, these particular part have to be repeated so that we are able to see, yes, the characters are actually moving up and down. So I will be going under the control instructions. Under the control instructions, I will be making use of a block called as wait, and 1 second is much more time, so I will be making it 0.1 second. In the same manner, we will be making use of 0.1 second. So let's see how it is done. Yes, but now I require to click every now and then over here. So I will be making use of which block? A repeat block, and connecting this to the blocks over there, I will be making use of a repeat block, and I'm just placing the repeat block at the top. Done. It will be repeated how many times, my dear kids? It will be repeated only 10 times. So if you want to repeat it again and again, definitely we have to go for the events block and click on the green flag. Again, after 10 times it will stop. If you want the animation to continue, again go in the control, go for forever loop or forever block, and just drag it inside it. So clearly you are able to see over here that all the sprites are under motion. Then just decreasing the size of S again to 100, making it align in one particular direction. So yes, you are able to see that all the characters are now animated. So in this manner, you can animate any of your characters, whatever you like it.